the heat in Nigeria is crazy. So I understand. That's the main reason why this particular vitamin C serum is good for this particular weather, because hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're just seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Love Killer and you are highly welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to be part of this family. And for my old subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for always tuning in to watch all of my videos. So guys, someone made a comment in my comment section, asked me on how I formulate my vitamin C serum at home. So I'm just going to show you guys how I formulate my vitamin C serum at home, the oils, the process that I use in formulating this vitamin C serum that can give you a brightening skin, and it's also an anti-aging product. Before I go right into the video, most of you know that I always emphasize, like, if you are 25 years and above, you should be using a vitamin C serum in your skincare routine, because like you don't want to wait till you get old before you start using anti-aging products. You should start using anti-aging products at least when you are in your 20s, so that even when you are in your 50s or when you are in your 60s, you will be looking as if you are in your 30s. So that's the main reason why I always suggest that you start using anti-aging products as soon as possible. So this vitamin C serum is also going to help, you know, boost your collagen production, and also it's also going to help in give you a brightening and glowing skin. So if it's something that you are interested to get to know, just continue watching so you can get all the remedy and all the ingredients. So before I show you the procedure on how to make this vitamin C serum, I want to let you guys know about some things concerning this vitamin C serum. If you are making this vitamin C serum, you are going to store it in your in your fridge, not your deep freezer, sorry. You're going to store it in your fridge. But if you don't have constant light, like if you're in Nigeria and you don't have constant light, what I would suggest is you're going to put it in your closet. Just keep it away from direct sunlight, because if you keep it close to the sunlight, it's going to lose its potency. So make sure you put it inside your closet to avoid direct sunlight, okay? And another thing that you need to know is that this particular vitamin C serum is a lightweight vitamin C serum, so anybody can use it. If you are dry skin, oily skin, any kind of skin type can use this particular vitamin C serum, because it's a lightweight vitamin C serum. So it's not going to clog your pores or make your skin feel greasy or any kind of thing like that. It's not going to make you feel sweaty. You're not going to even feel like, you're not going to even know that you applied something on your skin if you use a particular vitamin C serum. Most people, because of the weather now, the weather is so hot in Nigeria, and most people are looking for something that can, you know, hydrate your skin, but you don't want it to be too obvious that you apply a skincare. Even some people have stopped doing skincare this period because of the heat in Nigeria is crazy. So I understand. That's the main reason why this particular vitamin C serum is good for this particular weather, because even if, I will not say because of weather you need to stop using your skincare products, you just need to look for a skincare product that suits that particular weather. So it suits summer weather, winter weather, any kind of weather, you can use this particular vitamin C serum on your body, and it's not going to make you feel like you apply anything on. You're not going to feel sweaty, like I said. You're not going to make you feel it's not going to make your skin feel greasy, any of that. You're not going to experience any of that. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing first is you're going to get a lemon. When you get this lemon, you're going to get a grater and you're going to grate the zit. When I mean the zit, the back of the lemon, like the lemon peel, you're going to grate it out into a bowl. After doing that, after grating everything into a bowl, then you're going to keep the lemon one side. Then you're going to get jojoba oil, because we're going to be using jojoba oil and almond oil. You're going to put 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. If you are using 1 lemon, you're going to use 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. This particular jojoba oil is a lightweight oil. Even if you apply it on your skin, you're not going to feel, like I said, you're not going to feel any kind of sweaty, you're not going to feel any kind of greasy on your skin. So you're going to take this particular oil and drop 2 tablespoons inside the bowl of grated lemon. Then after doing that, you're going to get your almond oil. Almond oil is known for its richness, its goodness on the skin. It also brightens the skin, and maintain your skin complexion, or maintain the skin complexion. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of almond oil and also add it into the bowl, and you're going to stir. You're going to stir for at least 2 minutes. Just keep stirring. After stirring, then you're going to make sure the bowl that you are using have a cover. When I mean a cover, something that you can use to cover the bowl, or have a lid that you can use to cover the bowl. So when you cover the bowl, you're going to leave it for at least 24 hours. When you leave this particular mixture for 24 hours, then you're going to, after 24 hours, you're going to get this mixture, and you're going to get a strainer, and you're going to strain out the liquid out of the zest, out of the lemon. You're going to strain everything out into a bowl. And guys, mind you, when you are doing this, you're going to also get a glass container that you're going to put your vitamin C serum, and make sure the glass container is a dark bottle. You can get a black bottle or a brown bottle, but make sure it's something that is dark, because we are trying to make sure that this particular vitamin C serum don't get direct sunlight. So anything that is going to shade the mixture from getting direct sunlight, that is what we are going to be using. So you're going to get a dark container, and you're going to pour in the mixture that you just strained out. You're going to pour it into the bottle, and you're going to shake properly, and voila, that is your vitamin C serum. You can start using it immediately, or you can wait for maybe a few hours before you start using it. But one thing I want to say is that don't forget, like I said, don't forget to put this particular vitamin C serum in your fridge. It can stay in your fridge for 2 weeks, but if you're not able to put it in your fridge, it can stay in your wardrobe for 1 week. So at the period of 1 week, make sure you make use of it, and you trash the rest. If it's still remaining, you trash it, but if it's not remaining, then make sure you are able to use it before 1 week, or before it gets expired. Like I said, just store it in your fridge for 2 weeks. It can last in your fridge for 2 weeks, but if you're not putting it in your fridge, it can last in your wardrobe for 1 week. So yes guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and also subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.